Good morning, my melanin sisters. Today is Friday. Oh, we finally made it. We finally made it to Friday. My God, on Gaia! No, happy Friday. Wake up! Happy Friday, y'all. I hope today goes by a breeze for everyone, because I know I'm gonna live today with a breeze. Today is supposed to be like 85, 87 degrees. So I dressed the part today because I'm not burning up today. I will not. I refuse. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a blessed and highly favored day. We're gonna pop off this video blog the way that I do it. I want you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe and like. It don't matter what you do first, as long as you tap that notification button, tap that subscribe button, okay? Because your sis has got y'all. She got some entertainment coming for y'all. All right, let's go on. Good morning, you all. Welcome back to another episode. Today we got a lot going on. I'm doing my hair, I'm packing for my vacation, just a lot of stuff going on. So this is just going to be a relaxing talk through. Right here you see I'm getting ready to go back through my suitcase. I got some new clothes, so I need to go rethink some of my choices. I also got some items for my trip, like these little mini Lysol dispensers. If you guys want to know where I got it from, I'll link them in the description. Yes, I am hot, so I had to go get my fan so I can continue doing this. So y'all don't mind me, I get hot easily. But I'm just going through and really just reorganizing my suitcase, putting outfits together, trying on clothes, trying on bathing suits, making sure that everything just fits perfectly for me. So I have two bags in here that I'll also link below. I have my clothing bag that hangs up in the closet, and then I have this amazing bathroom bag right here. So this opens up, I can put all my makeup stuff in there, all my face stuff, hang it up in the bathroom. I can see everything that I need. Amazing buy and get great deals for it. You guys should definitely look into it. It just keeps your stuff really organized. I also took my Shein bags I got clothes from. I always keep those. I use those as like my dirty clothes bag. I use it for my wet clothes for when I go swimming. And I just like easily put them in my suitcase. It just makes it easy for TSA to look through my suitcase and see what I have without hiding anything. I'm hungry. It's about 12, so I'm gonna take a little snack break, and then we're gonna keep pushing. I also had to do some reorganization. I had to figure out where to put my LED light in some boxes. So in here you guys see me trying to like squeeze it all the way, but hey, I did what I had to do and it got done. So y'all, I'm so mad. I forgot to pack some clothes, but it's okay. I'll put them on top of my suitcase. So here I'm taking another food break. So this is like my dinner. I've been recording for a couple hours. It just doesn't look like it, but I was hungry. So here we are in the next day. I start my day off with a little waist training, a little exercising. So I wear my waist trainer. So today is going to be my self-health care day. So I need to really take care of my face. I did a little chemical peel. So I'm just going to go in and get my pores. I'm going to link everything that I'm using today down below. Everything is really affordable. Like, take care of y'all's skin. Okay, y'all can see how hot this water is. So you start off with some nice hot water. So I use a towel instead of just like splashing water everywhere. I use a towel and I just pat my face, opening up my pores. I'm also going to start beginning to use my facial steamer just to open up those pores while I'm applying this mask to my face. But the cloth is really helping seep it all in at the end of the day. Y'all, I've used this mask so many times, but I've never used it to the point where it just easily glides on. And this is the benefit of having a facial steamer, because this product, I said product, this product literally glided onto my face this time while using steam. So I'll probably continue to use this way with the facial steamer and just applying any face mask with added heat. This product, I'm avoiding the eye, mouth, and eyebrow area so that it doesn't get stuck. That's what the directions say. I'm gonna follow it. And then you can leave it on for a good like 15 to 30 minutes. I did mine for 30 minutes so that I can live my best life and suck everything out of my face. Next, I'm gonna go into my nails. So I have some nice hot water going. It was hot, y'all can see. And we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna prepare my nails for my trip because your girl's nails are gonna be cute and she's gonna do them herself. You guys are gonna see when I do it. I go between a small head drill bed and then the eggshell drill head bed. I had a hard time, like I was a little discombobulated. I don't know why. Each time I tried to put it in, it just would not go in, but I finally got it. Then y'all know I had to stop and get a little IHOP break. I love me my food. I'm hungry. I eat maybe once or twice a day, being conservative. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. In the midst of me eating, my timer went off, so it's time to take the mask off. I go in with some more steam, and then I apply a kind of gold primer to my face and set that into my face because we're about to shed the old skin off. My chemical peel is pretty much done. So I'm just gonna go in and just shave it down, fix my eyebrows just a little bit. I'm not someone who likes my eyebrows to a T, but I do like them to be in some kind of shape, and so I do that myself because I don't do anything drastically big. See how I'm pulling my skin and pulling down? This helps just to get it in, and like look at the dead skin that's coming up. And be careful not to get y'all edges. Like be close, but don't be that close. And that's about it, my melanin sisters. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and like. It doesn't matter what you do as long as you tap that notification. Mwah. Love ya.
Perfect.